can elaboration help rewire your brain for learning? Imagine your brain as a busy city with roads connecting different neighborhoods. Now, think about how adding new roads or improving existing ones can make travel faster and easier. That's what elaboration does for your brain when you're learning new things. It's not just about memorizing facts but about actively making sense of information. When you explain ideas in your own words, connect new ideas to what you already know, or ask questions about the material, you're creating more connections in your brain. These connections are like those roads that help information travel smoothly. This process actually helps rewire your brain because it encourages neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is the brain's ability to change its structure and form new pathways based on what you learn and experience. When you practice elaboration, you stimulate the growth of new neural pathways and strengthen existing ones. This makes it easier for you to understand, remember, and use information later on. There are simple ways to use elaboration during study sessions. For example, try explaining a concept to yourself as if you're teaching someone else. Use analogies or comparisons that relate unfamiliar ideas to things you already understand. Ask yourself questions like, how does this work? Or why is this important? And then answer them. You can also create examples from your own life or imagine real-world situations where the concept applies. When you actively engage with material like this, passive reading turns into a dynamic process. Instead of just reading words on a page, you're building a network of understanding that sticks with you longer. Over time, this active method rewires your brain to learn more efficiently and adaptively. It's like giving your brain a workout that makes it stronger and more flexible. So yes, elaboration can help rewire your brain for learning by creating richer, more connected neural networks. It turns studying into a powerful activity that not only helps you remember better but also makes your brain more capable of handling new information in the future. This is why using elaboration as part of your study routine is such a smart move.